Here's another one of life's little nuisances. Cans of spray paint that become clogged, making them useless to you. But before you head to the trash can, here's a quick tip that may help you revive those clogged nozzles. The first thing you want to do is remove the nozzle from the can and let it soak overnight in paint thinner or mineral spirits. Then just remove it and take a sewing needle or a wire from a twist tie and clean away any softened paint from the tube. Now be careful while you do this not to poke on the tube and enlarge it or distort it in any way. Now put the nozzle over a can of spray lubricant, then just give it a couple of quick squirts. Now you can repeat this as many times as needed to clear your nozzle. Now when you're finished, just put the nozzle back on the can and you should be ready to paint. Now to prevent this from getting clogged in the future, every time you paint, just hold your can upside down and give it a spray until you see a clear mist instead of your paint.